Most compact sedans today are asking you to spend $28,000, $30,000, even $32,000. The 2027 Nissan Sentra SR starts at $24,990, and it comes with ProPILOT Assist, a 12.3-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, 6 standard safety systems, and a brand new Midnight Edition that looks like it costs twice the price. Is the Sentra SR the smartest buy in the compact segment right now? And let's find out. The SR sits above the S and SV grades and below the range topping SL. For most buyers, that's exactly where you want to be. You get the sport-flavored looks without paying the luxury tax of the SL. The SR gets exclusive 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels, aggressive exterior accents, and an available contrasting black roof. And for 2027, Nissan added something new specifically to this trim. The Midnight Edition package, a $650 option that adds black exterior badges, black window opening trim, 18-inch black alloy wheels, and a super black two-tone roof. $650 for that look. Nah, that's a good deal. Inside, you're looking at dual 12.3-inch displays integrated into a single panel, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and climate control. 3 standard USB-C ports come on every Sentra, and an available Qi 2 wireless charger, which charges faster and works with more devices than the old Qi standard, is now on the options list. The seats deserve a specific mention. Nissan's zero-gravity-inspired front seats are consistently rated among the most comfortable in any class of sedan. That's not marketing language. Yeah, that's something you feel on a 2-hour drive when your back doesn't hurt getting out. The engine is a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder, making 149 horsepower, paired with a CVT, fuel economy, 30 miles per gallon city, 38 miles per gallon highway, 33 miles per gallon combined. I'm going to be direct here. 149 horsepower in 2026 is not a headline number. Compared to rivals offering turbocharged options, that figure looks low. And under hard acceleration, the engine gets loud enough to disrupt a conversation. The SR trim looks sporty. It doesn't drive sporty. But here's the thing. Most compact sedan buyers don't need sporty. They need reliable, efficient, and affordable to insure. The Sentra checks all three. And for 2027, Nissan retuned the Xtronic CVT for smoother, more linear acceleration and crisper responses to throttle inputs. That's the kind of change you don't notice in a spec sheet, but absolutely feel in stop-and-go traffic on a Wednesday morning. The 2026 Sentra earned an IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus rating. The 2027 carries that same foundation forward. Every single Sentra, even the base S, comes with automatic emergency braking, with pedestrian detection, blind spot warning and intervention, lane departure prevention, high beam assist, and traffic sign recognition. All standard, no packages required. Step up to the SR and ProPILOT Assist becomes available, combining intelligent cruise control with steering assist to handle stop-and-go highway traffic. You set it, it holds your speed, maintains your lane, and gives your foot a break on a congested freeway. At $24,990, having that option on the table is not common. Here's where the Sentra SR makes its clearest case. The Sentra's full range runs from $22,890 to $29,235. The SR at $24,990 sits right in the middle. A comparably equipped Honda Civic Sport or Toyota Corolla SE will run you $1,500 to $2,500 more for similar tech levels. The Sentra doesn't win on excitement, it wins on what you actually get per dollar spent. And skip it if you want driving engagement. The Sentra majors on value and efficiency, not performance. The Mazda 3 is more fun to drive. The Civic has a turbocharged engine that actually feels alive. If what you want is the drive itself, go there. But if you want the most car for the least money in this segment, with proper safety ratings and tech that works, the 2027 Sentra SR is making a real argument. It's just that nobody's listening yet.